friends, in today's video, we're gonna see how to set a perfect curd at home and that too in winter. As we all know, homemade curd is not only delicious but healthy too, and moreover is being prepared without using any preservative. So let's get started with our process. So friends, I have taken 1 liter of full cream milk which I boiled around 1 hour ago and then allowed to cool down at room temperature to attain a temperature that is fit for setting my yogurt in winter. And in summers, I prefer to boil the same milk at about 2 or 2.5 hours prior to start my process of curd setting. So what I want to convey here is that in summers, lukewarm milk would be just fine to set a perfect curd, but in winters, temperature of the milk should be little higher, that is around 55 to 60 degrees centigrade. Now it's time to take our second and final ingredient, that is curd starter, or you can say culture, or we say Jamaye in Hindi, at room temperature. Here I must mention that you should get your curd starter from any local dairy shop or some halwai shop rather than using branded packaged curd for this purpose. Friends, this step is something worth trying. Just try it once if you really want that perfect original divine flavor in your curd. Here I have taken 2 big spoons of curd starter in separate bowl, and then you have to whisk it properly like this, the way I am doing it here, so that there should be no lumps in it, no? Now take a pot in which you set your curd and then smear the walls and the bottom of the pot with this Jamaye. You can do it like this. See how I am doing it here. This step will enhance the process of fermentation of curd. In winter, you can very well, and in summers, you can very well avoid this step of smearing the wall and bottom of this pot. As in summers, you know very well, curd sets very faster and easily. So what next is, we gonna pour this milk from one container to another container like this, the way I am doing it here, for 2 to 3 times. Like this. To make the milk frothy. This step counts a lot. So you just can't afford to miss, be it in summers or winter. And now we'll transfer, as I have done it here already, transfer this milk in container in which we intend to set our curd. And now add a remaining starter in this pot, which is around 1 teaspoon or 1.5 spoon in this pot, very gently. Now you have to cover it and set this aside at some warm place undisturbed for about 5 to 6 hours in winter and 2 to 3 hours in summer. Or you can keep it on stabilizer with woolen sweater or scarf wrapped around it. Or you can place it in some casserole filled with hot water and cover it properly with a lid. Now we come to the end of this process. So after 5 to 6 hours, what will you get is this. See, look at my creation. Isn't it lovely? Let me take out a scoop to show how thick and creamy it is. See. If you like my video, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.